Are you sure everything's disconnected?
Yeah, I'm gonna lift it up so I can get to it.
Put it right through the rust hole.
Oh my god. Ben, put it underneath it and lift it up so we can... This is nuts. You're just trying. How's that feel? Do you feel...
Amazing. Feels great. We'll pop tire.
Yeah, lift up low. I need to get this light.
Bed down right now. We got it off the truck on the... Going back now?
Try and tilt back. I want to see if we can hold it.
What am I on?
Alright, go.
Sit right in. I'm just... I will?
Yes!
Bend over it.
Thank God. Uh-oh.
I'm at the forklift stop.
Dude, that thing looks badass without the bed.
Look at her.
Ruining my dad's driveway.
You want to fill her up? Just pour gas right in here. No sketch, right? Ben, go back. All right, that works. We got it. Yeah! This is an ugly thing. There's a spare. Oh, geez. Off-roaded. Go take it off-roaded. It's so much fun.
Yeah, let me just get in the back door.
No, don't.
Oh my god, man.
You guys want to take it up that hill?
This is a goofy looking truck. Nothing is on this thing. It's just the cab.
mine, hill.
Okay.
He looked. That guy totally looked at us. His eyes just followed the whole way. So Ben, what's up?
Well, today I got the truck bed off, and it's pretty fun day. Yeah. Rednecks like to have a lot of fun with their truck.
Hey.
We love them.
What's these?
Any comment, Rob, about what we did today?
Oh, my.
Nothing out of the ordinary.
So yeah, we're gonna take this piece back to the junkyard.
Oh my god. Dude. Will, what?
I was gonna use that on my car.
We'll take this down to an unpopulated road and just let it sit on the road.
It still looks the same. Come on, Willie.
Alright, none of that.
Alright, we're done. Good night, guys.